everybody, and welcome to Sparkling Secrets Superstar. Today I decided to make a different kind of unboxing video. I will be opening a 7-pound box of Barbies that I won on an auction. They were $10 for everything in this box, and I paid $10 in shipping. The only picture I've seen of them is very nondescript, and I'll edit it into the video so you can see what I saw when I was deciding to buy this. So basically it's a mystery box, or true blind box. I don't have any idea which dolls or what their condition is going to be. So excited to open this box. I've been waiting all day, and it was like... So, the first doll looks to be like a Tinkerbell doll. I guess it's cute. There's a little stain. And let's see what else we got. Another Tinkerbell doll. I think this is her friend. Ooh, a pair of fun pants. That's cool. And a fake Barbie. Hello. Oh. Oh, Ken. He looks a lot like the hiking Ken we have. Oh, somebody tattooed Jesus on his back. Oh, gosh. Oh, I don't have her. Judging from the big bow in her hair, I think this is a JoJo Siwa. She looks to be in pretty good condition. And another dress. And she is a nice one. Ooh, she's pretty. She must be a beach Barbie. Marked 50 cents, but I love her face sculpt. I think I am going to put her on a different body. A made-to-move body. This looks like it's a basic walnut. Ah, there is a lot. That is a lot of Barbies. Ah, another fakie. Another Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is going to be very exciting for little sparkling superstar. She loves mermaid dolls. Ooh. Oh gosh, who is she? Oh, it's a little mermaid, Ariel. So here, I'll fix her hair. Not too crazy. I know this is probably a very unpopular opinion, but I'm not crazy about the Disney dolls, but my daughter likes them. Ooh, let's see what we have here. So she's another non-Barbie, but she is not a knockoff because she's nice plastic, and she has joints at her wrists. Not wrists, elbows and knees. And she seems to be of good quality. And Simba Toys. Steph Love. Never heard of her. I'll have to Google her. Oh, her feet have joints too. Oh, nice doll. Her hair needs definite work though. Wow. Her hair is wild. But she seems to be in pretty good shape. She still has her ring. That's always nice. So fun, and I love that there's so many surprises in here. Let's see what's next. Oh, wow. Oh, she's a nice one. Let's see what's next. Oh, another one of these dolls. Let's see what we have. Another Disney doll. Who is she? Does it say back here? Oh, she's kind of scary. Look into my eyes. Look deep into my eyes. Ooh. Very good for Halloween. Ooh, I like her. I haven't seen this face sculpt either. It's really pretty. So sometime, oh, I see something in there. I'm so excited. I can't wait to pull it out. So not the doll. This is a huge box. I was not expecting this many dolls, which is awesome. Wow. Oh, she's pretty. She's like some princess. I wonder if she's what princess she is. I'm a pretty good Googler. And the next one is, oh, this lady. We know this face sculpt. I like the ponytails. This is the one I'm so excited about. Yeah. Oh. Household. And she seems to be in great shape. Another Disney doll. I think that's the Tangled girl. Let's see what next. There's only a couple left. Yay! Oh my gosh. This is wonderful. So my daughter actually, this was one of my daughter's first Barbies when she was really little. And she played with it in the bath so much it got water in it and grew mold. So I had to throw it away. And it still lights up. She is going to be so happy. She was so sad, but she understood because the mold was gross. But wow, that makes me so happy. She's so pretty too. I love the mermaids. Not for myself, but I like to look at them. Let's see. So we have down to 2 dolls. We have another Ariel with shoes molded on. Not seen that. Again, their hair, but we will boil them up. Brush them and boil them. Brush them and boil them. And the last but not least is this naked young lady wearing a lovely necklace. Oh, it's a Barbie necklace. Ooh, she got sticky hair. Oh, I love that necklace. Very cute. Wow. So for all in all, I am super impressed. I mean, let's see, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 dolls. I'm not going to count the 2 fakes because I'm just going to give those away for $20. So that's less than $1 a doll, basically. It's definitely worth it. It was so fun. I was so excited all week long, waiting for this box to come, and I can't wait for my next one. It's so fun to, you just don't know what you're going to get. And they're not perfect and they need a lot of work, most of them, but it's still pretty cool. And some I will definitely keep and fix up, and I will show you along the way. Thank you so much for joining me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, as everyone says. Thank you so much. Have a good night or day, whatever it is.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!